Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our stainless tailgate chains for the 53 to 72 Stepside trucks. Trucks were made for work, and the bed usually took the most abuse, especially the tailgate area from loading and unloading materials. From constantly being exposed to the elements or from being put through heavy workloads, the tailgate chains were prone to rusting, twisting, or breakage. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced the tailgate chains for these models, and they work and fit like the Ford originals. Made in the USA and assembled with the correct forged eye bolts and the correct gauge links. A rubber sleeve covers the links to protect them from rattling against the truck. As an upgrade from the originals, these are made from stainless steel to provide a long-lasting shine that will never rust. So if your tailgate chains have seen better days, you can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your truck at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. If you have any suggestions or requests on videos you'd like to see on our channel, comment below.